First of all, thank you for being here. Did you ever ask yourself how Nutella is made? The story of Nutella begins in the early 20th century in the vibrant country of Italy. A clever pastry maker named Pietro Ferrero sought a solution to the shortage of cocoa during World War II. His ingenious idea? Use hazelnuts, which were plentiful in the Piedmont region, to supplement the cocoa. Thus, in 1946, the first version of Nutella, originally called Giandujot, was born. It was an instant hit. Over the years, the recipe was refined, and it evolved into the Nutella we know and love today. This Moorish spread owes its unique taste to 7 key ingredients: sugar, palm oil, hazelnuts, cocoa, milk, lecithin, and a dash of vanillin. But what makes Nutella so popular? Perhaps it's the creamy texture, or the sweet, nutty flavor that has us reaching for more. Now, wouldn't you like to know how these ingredients come together to create the delicious spread we all love? Nutella has a simple yet distinctive list of ingredients, but what role does each one play in creating its unique flavor and texture? Let's break it down. First off, we have sugar. This sweet, granulated substance is what gives Nutella its delightful sweetness, making it a perfect topping for your breakfast toast. Next, there's palm oil. This versatile oil lends Nutella its creamy texture, allowing it to spread smoothly onto your favorite snacks. Then we have the star of the show, hazelnuts. These tiny nuggets of flavor add a wonderful crunch and distinctive taste to the mix. Cocoa makes its appearance next. It gives Nutella its chocolatey taste, transforming it into a sweet treat that's hard to resist. Milk further enhances the creaminess of the spread, adding a layer of richness to the texture. Finally, we have lecithin and vanillin. These two may sound a bit scientific, but they're essential for enhancing the overall flavor of Nutella, making it the beloved spread we all know and love. Now that we know the ingredients, let's dive into the process of making Nutella. The process of making Nutella is a careful balance of mixing and heating. Let's get into it. The journey of creating Nutella begins with the humble hazelnut. These tiny nuggets of goodness are first roasted to perfection, releasing their aromatic oils and intensifying their flavor. Next, they're ground down into a fine paste, creating the core of our beloved spread. While the hazelnuts are getting their makeover, cocoa beans are undergoing a similar process. After being roasted and ground, they too transform into a smooth and rich paste. The next step is where the magic truly begins. The ground hazelnuts and cocoa are combined, creating a blend that's already delicious. But we're not done yet. Now it's time for the sugar and palm oil to join the party. These ingredients are mixed in, creating a homogeneous blend that's sweet, creamy, and utterly irresistible. The sugar adds that touch of sweetness we all love, while the palm oil contributes to Nutella's signature velvety texture. But what about that creamy consistency that makes Nutella so spreadable? That's where the milk comes in. Added to the mixture, it enhances the creaminess, turning our blend into a lusciously smooth concoction. Finally, the last 2 guests arrive at our Nutella party: lecithin and vanillin. Lecithin, an emulsifier, ensures that all our ingredients remain friends, preventing them from separating. Vanillin, on the other hand, is the icing on the cake, or in our case, the flavor in the spread. It adds that hint of vanilla that makes Nutella taste like Nutella. Once all the ingredients have been mixed, the mixture is cooled and then packaged. This process ensures that every jar of Nutella is as fresh, creamy, and delicious as the last. And there you have it, a jar of Nutella ready to be enjoyed. From a simple list of ingredients to a jar of creamy, chocolatey goodness, that's the journey of Nutella. It's no wonder that this sweet spread has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions across the globe. From breakfast tables in America to dessert trays in Europe, from school lunchboxes in Australia to midnight snacks in Asia, Nutella has found its way into our lives and our stomachs. It has transcended being just a spread. Nutella pancakes, Nutella milkshakes, Nutella cookies, the list is endless. Its versatility is only limited by one's imagination. It's fascinating how a humble hazelnut, when combined with a few other ingredients, can transform into something that brings joy to so many people. So how do you enjoy your Nutella? On toast, in a croissant, or perhaps straight out of the jar with a spoon? There's no wrong way to savor this delightful treat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.